Want to stop sounding like a textbook in German? Today, 8 little words natives sprinkle everywhere. Stay to the end for a full recap. The word English simply lacks.
Doch,
It contradicts a negative yes, actually.
doch, das stimmt.
It makes requests gentle.
Mal,
It makes the request casual and polite.
komm mal her.
For a shrug of acceptance.
Halt,
It means just simply, that's how it is.
das ist halt so.
For strong agreement.
Reden,
It means exactly, precisely.
reden, das meine ich.
More than a simple yes.
Ja,
Inside a sentence, it adds emphasis.
das ist ja toll.
For a likely guess.
Wohl,
It means probably, I suppose.
ist wohl krank.
A casual anyway.
Ei,
It means anyway, in any case.
das weiß ich eh.
Regardless of everything.
Sowieso,
It means anyway, in any case.
ich komme sowieso.
Let's recap the 8 filler words from today.
Doch, mal, halt, eben. Ja, wohl, sowieso.
Subscribe for a German lesson every day. Next video, German small talk phrases.